From pools, splash pads, water parks, and patios to commercial concrete applications, SUNDEK has been trusted to bring our customers' vision to life. For over 50 years, SUNDEK has been dedicated to protecting and transforming all types of concrete surfaces. Our award-winning work relies on quality coatings that are as durable as they are beautiful. That's why we are excited to announce the introduction of TuffCoat into our product offering. TuffCoat is an industry-leading rubberized non-skid coating that features a water-based formula and recycled rubber aggregate. TuffCoat prioritizes slip resistance while maintaining comfort for bare feet. TuffCoat can be applied to a wide variety of surfaces and is suitable for a wide range of applications, whether enhancing safety on wet surfaces or providing a protective layer for high-traffic areas. TuffCoat is ideal for recreational spaces, aquatic facilities, public venues, and numerous other commercial and residential environments. The partnership between SUNDEK and TuffCoat offers many opportunities to reach new markets, offer a more tailored solution to our customers, and improve our overall customer experience. SUNDEK and TuffCoat, perfect together.